Happy Friday from Söderbysjön and this nudist beach spot, spontaneous one that I visit occasionally. But I have been on this very same spot exactly a week ago on the last Friday. So today is 29th of August. I was here on the morning of 22nd. Back then it was sunny. Today it is cloudy plus light rain we have. And I did have also light rain on the way here with my bicycle. When I started from my home, 7.5 kilometers, 20 minutes. And I got a bit of wet, but it is what it is. I am not made of sugar, so I can take some water. As I'm going to take a swim also here, because this is Beach Adventures with Chris, and I am exploring beautiful beach spots in my hometown of Stockholm, but also on all my travels around the world as well. And in 2 days I'm going to turn 35 years old, so it feels like a big milestone. All of the age that starts with 0 and 5 plus 18, I think. I know that 16 is also big in the US and 21, but in Europe mostly it is until 18 that you celebrate every year almost the birthday, and then you celebrate the big numbers like 20, 30, 40. But I also think that 35 is also a good age because it's halfway through retirement. We shall see. Maybe when I become 70 it will be 80 years for retirement with the current situation and the deficit in the pension systems around the world. But and also with the longer life expectancy as well. Anyway, enough about that. I'm at this beautiful spot in the nature, and there is nobody in the forest while I was walking. Maybe some people that were hiking, but not too many at least. And it is only 16 degrees Celsius in the air currently. Last time I was here it was 19 degrees Celsius in the water, and soon we're gonna find out if that has changed. And we are talking beach day number 105 in Sweden only this year. Last time I was here I was swimming for 15 minutes, but today I'm not so eager to do that. I might do it later in my local swimming pool. The time is quite late actually, 2 p.m. Quite late, and today is the opposite of yesterday, where it was warmer but also slightly sunnier as well. And the moment of truth for the temperature in the water, 17. So the water temperature has declined 2 degrees Celsius in a week, which means that slowly and steadily we are going into autumn. So with that said, and with this view of this nature here in Stockholm, it's time to continue the beach adventures and going for a swim. Also, I want to remind you, all of my fans and subscribers, that you can hype the videos that you like on YouTube, including mine. So there are some new charts. It's a new option that you can hype 3 videos per week for free. And yeah, if my videos get hyped, they end up in the top 100 in Sweden. And I have currently 2 of my videos in that list, which is amazing. So let's keep it up. Great work, thanks to you. All right, so let's then see how is the water. Yeah, the same temperature as in the sea actually yesterday, so quite decent. And unfortunately we are going into tougher and colder and darker times here in Stockholm, which means that I need to get used to even colder temperatures of the water very, very soon. All right. The water is so still, there is no wind, which is amazing because usually it's a lot colder when the wind is. Oh, almost fell. Okay, we are ready for a dip. Ready, set, and go! Yeah, it smells like lake because it's a lake. Stating the obvious. And I think it is raining very light rain. In the forecast it said 0.1 to 0.2 millimeters, but on the way here it was rather more than that. To be fair, it's not that cold. I could have swim, but it's better in the swimming pool where the temperature is up to 29 degrees Celsius currently. So, greetings from Söderbysjön once again, and let's see where I end up tomorrow because it's going to be warmer and sunnier. So, thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.